Arrive in style with this Dodge 2014 Charger RT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include transmission, 5-speed automatic, W5A580, STD, bright white clear coat, engine, 5.7L V8 HEM AMDS VVT, STD, LT Frost beige black sport cloth seats, tires, 245/45R20 BSWS performance, Beats audio group included, 10 Beats premium speakers with subwoofer 552-watt amplifier, wheels and tunes group included, tires 245/45R20 BSWS performance wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches aluminum chrome-clad Beats audio group 10 Beats premium speakers with subwoofer 552-watt amplifier rear body color spoiler sport mode 2 steering wheel mounted shift control, quick order package 29 NRT included,